Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let the observation xi starts from 1 to 10, satisfying the equation this. Look at this. In this question, they have given you xi minus a number, xi minus a number, and the number is same. So, we don't have any problem. It's totally fine. Okay, now you know that if you are adding certain number to all the elements or subtracting any numbers to all the elements, it will affect mean. It will not affect standard deviation, it will not affect variance. You remember that thing? Okay, now what I will do, I will find out everything at the stage this. So I am talking about at the stage xi minus 5. So I am at this stage. Okay. So suppose that I want to find out the mean. So for mean, I should go with summation xi minus 5. I starts from 1 to 10 divided by 10, and the sum is given to be 10. So this thing will become 1. So can I say that the mean at the given stage is 1? This result is very important. Now let's move on to the variance part. Okay, so at this stage only we will try to find out the variance. So variance means what? Variance means xi minus 5 whole square by n minus mean whole square. Mean is what? Xi minus 5 by 10 whole square. Now xi minus 5 whole square is what? 40 by number of elements is 10, and you have already calculated the mean comes out to be 1. So it is 3. So variance will come out to be 3. Now be very careful and look at this. Now from this stage you have to jump on to xi minus 3 stage. At xi minus 3 stage. So how we will reach to this stage? Do you remember? For this stage we need to add 2 to the all elements. So if you will add 2 to the all elements, you know that mean will also will grow by 2. Okay, so 2 and previously it was 1. So the mean at this stage becomes 3. And you also know that it addition and subtraction doesn't affect on variance and standard deviation. So variance will still the same. Okay, so variance will be 3 here. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.